Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alex and today I'm gonna present you how to simplify form. What do I mean simplify form? Like make a shape to have less anchor points. You see how many anchor points do we have here? We have a lot. So first you click Objects, Path, Simplify, and from here you can see you have the original and current. You can click this, toggle this button on, show the original, you can see how much you change it, and this is how you do it. You can go to the way you had. So this is one way I simplify my forms. I try not to do it too much, something like this. See, you have some little differences over there, but they are perfect for me. And from 534 to 35 points. You click OK and you have a simplified shape. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.